Hi, this is Smita Dev and welcome to Get Curried. Today we are going to make a rich, mushy and a well-blended dish, the halim. But we are going to use chicken instead of mutton for this. Let's see how to make this wonderful dish. I soaked 150 grams of wheat, whole wheat, and 50 grams of barley for almost 18 to 20 hours. And now we're going to cook this in a pressure cooker. Add a liter of water to this. 2 bay leaves. Along with the bay leaves, we're adding 4 whole cloves of garlic, 1 onion that I have finely chopped, a teaspoon of garam masala powder. The recipe for this garam masala will be given in the description. Some salt to taste. So usually if I'm making a halim with mutton, I use mutton stock to cook the wheat and the barley. We're going to pressure cook this for at least 4 to 5 whistles till the wheat and the barley are completely done. Now to cook the chicken, I'm going to heat 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of ghee, I'm not going to wait much for the ghee to melt. I'm going to add a tablespoon of garlic paste, a tablespoon of ginger paste, a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a tablespoon of coriander seed powder, a teaspoon of cumin seed powder, and a tablespoon of red chili powder. I'm just going to fry this for a few seconds. And here I have 1 kg of chicken, which I'm going to add. And we have to stir the chicken for 3 to 4 minutes on a high flame. I have soaked 5 grams of masoor dal, moong dal, tur dal, urad dal, chana dal and rice. I'd soak this for almost 8 to 10 hours. We're going to add this to the chicken. 5 chopped green chilies. Half a teaspoon of roasted kebab chini powder. If you do not have kebab chini easily available, you can skip this. A teaspoon of our special garam masala, a cup of fried onions. Just let's mix this. Let's add 1.5 liters of water to this. Salt to taste. Mix it well. And we're going to cover this and cook till the chicken is done. So we kept the chicken to slow cook for almost 40 minutes and I'm sure the dals and the chicken is done. Let's shut the flame and just remove the pieces of meat. Once the chicken is cooled down, we are going to debone it into very small and fine pieces. Cooking the wheat and barley for almost 4 to 5 whistles and then reducing the flame to a medium-low and cooking it for another 1 hour. The barley and the wheat must have got cooked. Let's switch the flame off. The pressure cooker has cooled down. Let's open it and check. It's nice and mushy. I'm just going to whisk it a little. Can you see the consistency after you've whisked it? It's nice and creamy. We're going to add this to the stock of the chicken that we had cooked. And here is the deboned chicken into absolutely small tiny pieces. We're going to add this as well. Mix this well. Cover it and cook it for another 15 minutes on a low flame. We had kept the halim to simmer for almost 10 minutes and I want to blend it even further. So I'm going to whisk this. In a tadka pan, I'm going to heat 2 tablespoons of ghee. I have 2 inches of ginger that I've cut into thin juliennes. We're going to fry this till they're slightly golden. To the ginger, we're going to add 5 slit green chilies. Fry these as well. And now we're going to simply lace this halim with this tempering. Garnish it with some fried onions, some freshly chopped coriander, a few mint leaves, and the halim is ready to be served. Let's remove it in a serving bowl. I'm just going to add a few ginger juliennes to this to make it look even more appetizing. A green chili. And you can serve this with a lemon wedge. And our chicken halim is ready to be served. It's a very simple recipe, though the process is a little long, but the outcome is absolutely delicious. So do try this recipe and let me know. And keep watching Get Curried.